Hello everyone, welcome back to Alpha Squad Official, your go-to destination for new car videos. The all-new Kia K4, bringing an exciting blend of advanced technology, modern design and sporty performance to the compact sedan segment. The exterior design is striking, showcasing a fastback roofline, wide stance and dynamic proportions inspired by Kia's Opposites United philosophy. With standard LED lighting and a hidden rear door handle, the K4 delivers a sleek, modern look. Available in 5 distinct trims, LX, LXS, EX, GT Line and GT Line Turbo, the K4 caters to a wide range of drivers. It features 2 engine options, a standard 2.0-litre engine producing 147 horsepower paired with an intelligent variable transmission, or an optional 1.6-litre turbocharged engine delivering a lively 190 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking enhanced handling, GT Line models come equipped with a multi-link rear suspension. Inside, the K4 impresses with nearly 30 inches of digital displays, powered by Kia's advanced connected car navigation cockpit. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while available features like a premium Harman Kardon sound system and Kia's Digital Key 2.0 elevate the experience. Comfort is prioritized with options for heated and ventilated seats. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The K4 comes equipped with advanced features like lane keeping assist and smart cruise control with stop and go. Available upgrades include forward collision avoidance, blind spot view monitoring, and a surround view monitor. The K4 promises class-leading rear legroom, headroom, and a spacious 14.6 cubic foot trunk. This is the 2025 Kia K4, where bold design meets innovative technology, setting new standards for compact sedans. thank you for spending your time with us. Until next time, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next video.